Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best DreamStation 2 is probably one of the most innovative CPAP machines on the market, and today, we're diving deep into one of its essential components, the water chamber. This little device plays a huge role in your sleep therapy, ensuring that the air you breathe is properly humidified, making your CPAP experience more comfortable and effective. So, if you're looking to upgrade or just understand your machine better, you're in the right place. Number 5. RESPLABS 8-in-1 CPAP Cleaning Brush Kit. This kit offers a complete solution for cleaning your CPAP equipment. It includes brushes designed to clean every part of your CPAP machine, ensuring a hygienic experience. The long brush is perfect for cleaning the inside of your CPAP hose. It reaches deep inside to remove any dirt or debris, ensuring you breathe clean air. The kit also includes a smaller brush for cleaning smaller parts. You can use it on cushions, water chambers, and tanks, making sure everything is clean. This brush kit is designed to clean all of your CPAP equipment. It ensures a thorough cleaning process for all your CPAP needs. The brushes are tested for durability and effectiveness. They provide a reliable way to maintain your CPAP equipment, and your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This cleaning brush kit offers a comprehensive cleaning solution for your CPAP equipment. It includes brushes designed for hoses and smaller parts. If you're looking for a thorough and reliable way to maintain your CPAP system, you should consider this. It ensures a hygienic and effective cleaning routine. What people say. The DreamStation 2 water chamber is easy to clean. The water chamber is easy to fill. The water chamber is easy to use. Number 4. DreamStation 2 Filter Kit, USA made. Introducing the filter kit designed for your DreamStation 2 machine. This kit ensures you get a clean and fresh air flow every night. It helps you breathe better while you sleep. The reusable pollen filters are made of blended synthetic fibers, and the disposable ultrafine filters are made of polyester fibers. They are designed to effectively filter out dust, pollen, and even smaller particles and odors. Installing the ultrafine filter is simple. Just slide out the foam pollen filter, snap the light blue ultrafine filter onto it, and insert them back into your device. It's that easy. This filter kit is exclusively compatible with CPAP and BiPAP machines. Using this product ensures your machine operates at its best. It's proudly made right here in the USA. Each kit includes 2 reusable pollen filters and 6 disposable ultrafine filters. These filters are designed to block out both large and small particles, ensuring a cleaner and healthier airflow for you. What we like. This filter kit is made in the USA and includes both reusable and disposable filters. It ensures a clean airflow for a better sleep. If you are looking for a reliable filter kit that is easy to install and made with quality materials, you should consider this. It will help to keep your device running smoothly. What people say. The DreamStation 2 water chamber is easy to clean. It is easy to fill the water chamber. The water chamber is easy to use. Number 3. Everness DreamStation 2 Replacement Filters. This replacement set from Everness includes 6 disposable ultrafine filters and 2 reusable filters. It's a complete package designed to keep your device running smoothly. The ultrafine filters effectively block small particles, while the reusable filters trap larger ones. Using them together ensures you and your loved ones breathe the freshest air possible. This filter kit helps keep dust away from your device, extending its lifespan. It's a smart investment in the longevity and performance of your equipment. The white filter material is permanently attached to the frame, so there's no need to detach it. You can simply replace the filters without any complicated assembly. Combine the ultrafine filter with the reusable filter and insert them into the air inlet. It's easy to install and use, providing fresh air for you and your family. What we like. This filter kit provides a great value with both ultrafine and reusable filters. It is designed to provide you with the freshest air. If you value ease of use and want a simple solution for clean air, you should consider this. It is a hassle-free option for a cleaner breathing experience. What people say. The DreamStation 2 water chamber is easy to clean. It is a direct replacement for the original DreamStation 2 water chamber. The water chamber is well designed. Number 2. Mars Wellness Filter Kit for DreamStation 2. Introducing the Mars Wellness Filter Kit, designed for your DreamStation 2 machine. This kit ensures you breathe clean, fresh air all night long. It helps you sleep better. The reusable pollen filters are made of blended synthetic fibers. The ultrafine filters are made of polyester fibers. They work together to provide you with high-quality performance. The pollen filter blocks dust and pollen. The ultrafine filter removes smaller particles and odors. This dual system ensures the air is clean and fresh. To install, slide out the foam filter. Then, snap the ultrafine filter onto it. Finally, insert them both back into the device. It's that simple. You'll receive 4 reusable pollen filters and 20 disposable ultrafine filters. These filters keep your machine clean and protect your health. They will make your device work better. What we like. This filter kit comes with multiple reusable and ultrafine filters. It ensures a high-quality performance every time you use them. If you are looking for a kit that provides a longer-lasting supply of filters, you should consider this. It offers a great value for maintaining your CPAP machine. What people say. The DreamStation 2 water chamber is easy to clean. The water chamber is easy to fill. The water chamber is easy to use. Number 1. Best in Rest CPAP Hose Holder. Tired of CPAP tubing tangling and disrupting your sleep? This holder prevents tangling, ensuring consistent airflow. It keeps everything organized for a more comfortable night. Need a CPAP wall mount or a stand for your nightstand? This adjustable design adapts to your needs. It offers versatile support for various setups. Built to last, this holder is made from high-quality materials. Unlike flimsy options, it provides stable support, reducing wear and tear on your equipment. Setting up is a breeze. This hook can be mounted on beds, nightstands, or walls. It ensures a clutter-free sleep setup, making your life easier. Experience a better night's sleep. This stand keeps your tubing elevated, preventing pressure and pulling. It improves therapy effectiveness, leading to a more restful experience. What we like. This CPAP hose holder prevents tangling and ensures uninterrupted airflow. It features an adjustable design, adapting to various setups. If you are looking for a way to improve your sleep quality and make your CPAP experience more comfortable, you should consider this. It keeps your tubing organized and reduces wear and tear. What people say. Easy to adjust, doesn't look bulky and weird attached to the bed, easy to strap and unstrap the hose, and keeps the hose out of the way. It keeps end of hose suspended above my head and rest of it off of me. The lifter keeps the hose in place, which has made my CPAP experience much more comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.